Hey folks, thanks for tuning back into the Colonial RV YouTube channel. Joe Welch is here and we are back with another service tech tip video. The temperatures are dropping quickly, which means it's about time to winterize your RV, especially if you don't plan to use it over the winter months. Are you ready? Let's go. It's important to get ahead of winterization because waiting too long could mean thousands of dollars in repairs. Winterizing your RV ensures that your unit is ready for use come next spring. If water is left in the pipes or the lines, you risk having them freeze, expand, and ultimately damage your RV. By going through these steps, we can help you minimize the need for unwanted expensive repairs down the road. This is going to be one of a series of Winnebago Motorhome winterization videos. So if you haven't subscribed already, you can and you'll get notified when the winterization of your unit comes out. Today we will be winterizing a 2023 Winnebago Revel 44E. Keep in mind that every RV system is set up a little bit differently, so if you're unsure about your configuration, please refer to the manufacturer or make an appointment with our service department today. One of the most common questions I hear is, when should I winterize my RV? The answer is not that simple. It's something that you really have to judge for yourself. But typically we would recommend that you winterize before temperatures get close to freezing in your area. And before starting your winterization, you'll need to ensure that you have a couple of key items first. RV-specific antifreeze. Using regular car antifreeze is highly toxic to humans and should never be used in your RV. We recommend using RV and marine-specific antifreeze. We carry this here in our parts store. And the second thing we'd recommend is a pump converter kit. That we also carry. And this hooks up directly to your pump and helps you transport the antifreeze into your system. A lot of units will have these stocked, but if you don't, go ahead and give us a call and we can help you out. Underneath our wonderful outdoor table here, we actually have the trains for our fresh hot, our fresh cold, and our fresh tank. You want to empty all three before you go ahead and winterize the system, but before we hook up the siphon to our pump, we just want to have everything out of our lines and we want to shut these so we can repressurize the pump and pull through the system. So in the back of your Revel, you have a wonderful B&B Nautilus system. Now all you need is an old garden hose that you cut. You can hook it right up to the city water connection in the front. And then the next thing we have to do is actually pay attention to where our directionals are set. We have the winterization setting up front, so we actually have to change where our positions are. And now we're ready to go ahead and stick our hose in our winterization bottle. Now that we have our antifreeze hooked up and our system is pressurized, the first place we're going to run antifreeze through our fixture is in our bathroom here. So we're going to go ahead and take the shower, run the cold side first. And after shutting off the cold, I'm going to run the hot side till I see enough pink come out. Now while we're here, we might as well go ahead and winterize our commode. So on these cassette toilet styles, we have a Thetford flush in the rear. And that will at least run antifreeze through the ports on our commode. Now that we're done with our commode, we can go ahead over to our kitchen sink here. And same thing, I'm going to start opening my cold side, getting the antifreeze to pull through, moving over to my hot, waiting for that nice pressurized stream. So if your system won't pressurize and you're just spitting at your outlets, it might be a good time to go ahead and switch to a full bottle. And while you're back here, you should go ahead and do your outdoor shower, grabbing your hose from the back here. And then we've got a quick connect at the rear. And then I want to go ahead and run antifreeze from both my outlets, cold and hot, at the rear as well. Now with our excess antifreeze, I'm going to go ahead and feed all my drains just to get antifreeze in the traps in case there's any residual water in there. So I'm going to start with my shower drain, just pouring a liberal amount. And then I would definitely recommend draining your cassette toilet taking the tank out and completely emptying it, but go ahead and flush some antifreeze down there as well if you do have a little residual water left in your cassette tank. Now that we're done with the commode, once again we're going to do our kitchen here, but one of the very nice things about a Revel is we actually have a drain pump in our kitchen that we're going to go ahead and feed because she's hungry. We've got the switch right here. I just want to make sure that that also has antifreeze through its system. Follow these steps and you will never have anything to worry about over the winter months. If you do not wish to winterize your own RV, or you worry about messing up anything in the sequence, then please don't hesitate to call our service department and set up your winterization appointment today. Before we end this video, we would really appreciate everyone hitting that like button and subscribing if they haven't already. And if you found this video helpful or you have any questions at all, please leave us a comment below or reach out to us at colonialrv.com. Our number is 800-265-9019. My name is Joe Welches, and I'll see you all again in the next Colonial Service Tech Tip video.